the part of the Valentine's Day reel?
Sure.
It's like I do a little slow mo. I guess I could do like a little dance or something with each other. Nah, you can't dance? Yeah. Did you want to get in it? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Yo, did y'all want one? With the boys and stuff? Let's get it, let's get it.
Yo, just the boys? Yeah, just the guys.
I got it, man. Yeah. Is anybody eye sensitive to the sun? Okay. Let's go.